got a problem. Now, I don't want to make a mountain out of a molehill, but let me show you what I woke up to this morning. You see, now that I'm retired, I have to start doing some things on my own that I used to hire out. One of the things that I have done for many, many years is to hire a mole eradication service. When I see a mole, and this is the thing, when the mole shows up in the yard, that's when I'd call the exterminator. Well, guess what? It's now up to me. So let me show you what I saw this morning. See, they've gradually been showing up here, but I let them go. But once they show up in my yard, it's a whole nother matter. So my strategy is going to be utilizing something that my neighbor has told me about. And this is Tomcat Mole Killer. Now apparently these are worms that actually replicate the food that the moles actually eat. Now one of the things I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to put on these gloves because we don't want my scent to be on these worms. So I will have to do that. The other thing I've got to do is I need to dig out some dirt so I can lay these worms essentially in the path that the mole travels, hoping he will eat the worms and be poisoned by them. Now, this is instead of the service that I would hire. Typically, they would set up traps and things like that. And I have a trap, but I'm just a little bit too nervous to do that. So I'm going to try this and we'll see how it goes. All right, so this is what each packet looks like. Now, I've never done this before. So inside, there must be some worms. All right, so open where it says. All right. Look at these. So this is what it looks like. They're just, All right. So my next job then, I'm not sure. I think I'll just put 2 of these out in that pathway. The next thing I've got to do is I've got to go dig up. I got to go dig up that molehill.
I wish I was a mole in the ground. I wish I was a mole in the ground. If I was a mole, I'd tear that mountain down. I wish I was a mole in the ground. I wish I was a mole in the ground. If I was a mole, I'd tear that mountain down. I wish I...
Well, that was more difficult than I was expecting. When I dug in to find the tunnel, I was expecting that there would be a big tunnel there, but it was kind of hard to tell, so I lifted the grass up and put them down in there. We'll see how it works. I'm probably going to need to consult my neighbor and see if there's a way that I can refine this, but I'll let you know. We'll see if that mole gets killed. I also have some other molehills that I can plant some in that are in the periphery, and I may choose to do that as well because I've got a lot of these tomcat worms. So anyhow, we will talk to you soon.